Hello guys, today is a very special video. Today I will start with my first giveaway. I will share all of the information at the end of the video, so please stay till the end. Before I start, I would ask anyone that likes this kind of content to please hit the like button and press subscribe. I much appreciate it. Thank you guys. Okay, so today's video is dedicated to hiking equipment that is suitable for Slovenian mountains. I decided to make this kind of video because through the summer when I was hiking in Slovenian mountains, I saw a lot of crazy tourists that went to the mountains with inappropriate equipment, not enough food, not enough water, wearing flip-flops on the areas that needs climbing. So yeah. Without further ado, I will show you what I bring on my hiking adventures. Okay, so proper footwear is very important. I always take hiking boots with a hard vibrating sole. These shoes give me good grip on sliding rocks and it's easier to climb with them because they have really good grip, as you see. If a helmet is recommended, I always take it. This is just the usual climbing helmet, nothing special. I only have the clip for my GoPro on it, so it's easier to shoot my videos. I always take these Alpina trekking socks because they protect my foot. And so yeah, I always take a 20 liters backpack. It's a normal hiking backpack, it's just enough for any Slovenian mountain. With me I take one extra t-shirt because you get sweaty and you need to change it. I take a windstop jacket, I take 3 liters of water, a few vegan protein bars and a sandwich, but I like to take a little more food with me every time because you never know what can happen in the mountains. They're unpredictable, so we have to prepare for that. Besides that, I take some bandages for blisters and for injuries that you cannot predict. Okay, it's giveaway time. For this giveaway I have prepared a thermo bottle in which you can store some hot tea or hot coffee or something for the winter hikes. To participate in this giveaway I ask you to like and subscribe to my channel and to comment on which hike you were the last on. From all of the comments and likes I will determine who the winner is when I reach 100 subscribers. And when I reach 100 subscribers I will make another video, and at the end of that video I will determine who the winner was. So stay tuned and good luck! Okay, and I must say that this content is not sponsored by YouTube. I am solely responsible for this giveaway and for determining the winner and the delivery.